Remember when you said.
Hey everyone, today I am excited to share my experience with the Degrii Zima Pro, a robot pool cleaner that I recently bought for myself. This cleaner boasts a sleek and modern design featuring a robust build quality that ensures durability. Its cordless design enhances safety and provides greater flexibility. The Zima Pro is equipped with advanced ultrasonic rudders that offer intelligent 3D path planning, adapting to any pool shape for efficient and thorough cleaning. With a sturdy construction and innovative features, the Zima Pro not only looks like a futuristic device but also delivers exceptional performance.
Black and white.
The dual filters on top are easy to remove and clean, making maintenance straightforward. Overall, the Zima Pro is a significant upgrade for any pool cleaning routine.
I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends.
Now, let's dive into the performance of the Degrii Zima Pro. This cleaner is powered by a 250-watt triple motor system, featuring brushless motors for a longer lifespan and higher efficiency. The 250-watt suction is incredibly powerful, capable of picking up debris ranging from large leaves and rocks to fine dirt particles as small as 180 microns. The Zima Pro excels at cleaning all surfaces, including the pool floor, walls, and waterline. Its robust suction and efficient motors enable it to handle any mess, making it a reliable and effective solution for maintaining a pristine pool. Additionally, the superior wall climbing and waterline cleaning performance ensure that every corner of the pool is spotless. Whether it's leaves, rocks, or fine particles, the Zima Pro handles it all effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Degrii Zima Pro is its advanced filtration system. It comes with built-in activated carbon packages and dual 180 micron filter baskets which effectively trap dirt, dust and other particles. The large 6.5 liter capacity of the filter baskets ensures they can handle a significant amount of debris before needing to be emptied. This multi-stage filtration system not only keeps the pool clean but also helps in purifying the water, making it healthier for swimming. The activated carbon absorbs impurities and unpleasant odors, ensuring that the pool water remains fresh and inviting. After using the Zima Pro for a while, I have noticed a significant improvement in water clarity thanks to its efficient filtration and purification capabilities. Battery life is a crucial factor for any pool cleaner, and the Degrii Zima Pro excels in this area. It features a unique floating battery system with a high-capacity 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 3.5 hours of cleaning runtime. This allows the Zima Pro to cover an area of up to 5,000 square feet on a single charge. The battery connected to the cleaner by a waterproof 11.5 feet cord ensures safety and convenience. When the battery runs low, the Zima Pro's low battery sensor guides it back to the pool wall for easy retrieval, preventing it from getting stuck in the middle of the pool due to low battery. Moreover, the 64-watt fast charging feature ensures minimal downtime between cleaning cycles.
And I'm caught up in the first night.
The Degrii Zima Pro ensures a unique floating module that enhances its functionality. The floating module, equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery, acts as a separate power station, providing a stable Bluetooth connection for consistent power supply. On top of the module, the yellow power button, white start or standby button, and 4 battery indicators make it easy to operate and monitor. The thick and sturdy tube connected to the module ensures durability even in deep pools. This module not only powers the cleaner but also maintains a stable connection, making the Zima Pro highly efficient. Moreover, the smart app integration takes convenience to the next level. Available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, the app allows us to choose between multiple cleaning modes, set cleaning schedules, and even control the cleaner manually. Features like auto perking and one-click lifting make maintaining the Zima Pro incredibly user-friendly. After using the Degrii Zima Pro, I am genuinely impressed with its performance and convenience. The intelligent navigation system, powerful suction, and effective filtration make it a top-notch pool cleaner. The smart application integration and multiple cleaning modes provide flexibility and ease of use, ensuring that the pool stays clean without much manual intervention. The robust build quality and advanced features make the Zima Pro a worthwhile investment for any pool owner. Whether it's for regular maintenance or tackling tough messes, the Zima Pro delivers exceptional results. Its cordless design and floating battery system enhances safety and usability, while the user-friendly application simplifies control and monitoring. I highly recommend the Degrii Zima Pro to anyone looking for a reliable and efficient solution to keep their pool in pristine condition. Well, I have left a link of this Degrii Zima Pro in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say